When you have to give a presentation for your work, it's really important to remember a few really critical points about these kind of presentations. So in this video, I want to share some points and tricks and tips for giving work presentations. Hey there, my name is Carl Kwan, and if you've never visited my channel before, it's all about presentations, tips, tricks, and how-tos. You're also going to see some videos related to my business, which is called Kwan Multimedia. It's a video marketing agency here based in Canada. Based here in Canada, I shouldn't say here based in Canada. Based here in Canada is the correct English. Anyway, you'll see those videos as well, but mostly you're going to see presentations, tips, tricks, and how-tos. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell notification icon if you haven't already, just to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos. Okay, so work-related presentations. If you're in a job of any sort nowadays where you're going to be working in a team, you're most likely going to have to give some kind of a presentation. So how do you actually do these well? That is actually a big challenge because people generally don't want to give these presentations. And one of the great things about giving these is because of that other people just don't want to do it. So if you're on a team where nobody else wants to volunteer to do it, be the person that actually does it. So that's number one. Just be the one that actually does it. The second thing though is now you gotta prepare. You have to make sure that this presentation is really well prepared. But you don't want to just give a report. So that's my second tip. Don't just give a full-on blow-by-blow, word-for-word report of everything that someone, a summary of everything that's happened. That, they can just read it. They can just look at your documents and just get that from you. What is going to be better is point number 3, which is to take what is important from those notes and summarize it. Make it real, give examples, show how that data, how that information really translates into the daily workings of your particular business area. So you want to make sure that you're not just regurgitating information, but you're actually analyzing it and providing some insight. That is how you get ahead in business and in your work, because you're not just the kind of person that just says, okay, well, here's A, B, C, D, and that's it. What you're doing is offering more value to your bosses and to your other teams or whatever by showing them, okay, this is what this stuff means. All this information we have, here's what it means, here's what we can do, and here's how I think we can improve. Whatever it might be that you're gonna recommend. But I highly recommend that, just to figure out exactly what it is that you can get from that information and then present it to everyone as maybe a solution, as an idea, as a recommendation. This will make your presentation stand out from everyone else's simply because you actually took the time to figure something out. You actually took the time to think about what you're going to say and to make it valuable for the people listening. The kind of bonus tip here, or the last thing that I want to mention, is never to go longer than you're supposed to. In fact, I'd recommend going a little bit shorter than you're supposed to. So if your boss, whoever says, hey, you've got 10 minutes to give this presentation, I would say try and aim for 7 minutes. Get it done in 7 minutes. Everyone will love you for it. You'll also have a little bit of time to answer any questions, but mostly you'll be more focused. You'll be more on point. You won't just try and ramble just to make up that 10 minutes. So I hope you found those tips helpful for giving work presentations. Let me know what your challenges are for giving these kind of presentations. Let me know if you have any questions about that. And anyway, good luck. Let me know how it goes if you applied these tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.